Hey everybody, Matt Schweitzer with North Rim Commercial Properties. Excited to show you the latest listing that we just created here at North Rim. I'm in Multnomah Village at 3605 Southwest Multnomah Boulevard. We took an older building and an older space and transformed it into a brand new one that I'm excited to give you a tour of. You can see on the outside of this building, we repaved the parking lot, so we've got a few parking spaces in front, and we installed new awnings and repainted the side of the building for a nice clean look. The awnings offer an opportunity for some great signage since we're right here on Multnomah Boulevard. And so this would be a great space for either an office or a retail user. So come on in and let me show you what we created. So as you walk into the space, this is a little under 1,400 square foot of space. We came in here and pretty much took out all the old stuff and put everything in that here is brand new. At the front of the space, we have a utility room where it contains a mop sink and the furnace. One of the nice features about this space is you have your own furnace and your own thermostat, so you can control your own temperature in the space. As you move backwards into the space, we have a kitchenette here in this back corner, okay? And then behind the kitchenette, we set up the restroom and a storage or data closet, depending on your needs, okay? The space was, the finishes on this space, as you'll see, we set up our columns, we wrapped them in a nice clear fur, a nice clean look. The space opens up on this other side into a much larger room. We put in LVP flooring, which is fantastic for the Northwest. It's got a great look and wears really well. Part of the space has brand new windows. We did second look tile for the ceiling, LED lighting, and redistributed the HVAC throughout the space. We'd love to give you a tour, so if you want, just give me a call at 503-525-1925, extension 2. Again, Matt Schweitzer, and I'd be happy to give you a tour. I appreciate you watching.